Hey, alright, I welcome you to this video where I'll be showing you how to design this kind of minimalist logo. Okay, now let me show you the step by step that's required to get this type of logo design. Let me put this logo somewhere here. Okay, the first is that grab your line segment tools here. Just press Shift for it to have a perfect line. Make it to have a stroke. Let me use one as a stroke. Can you see it now? Now press Alt on your phone and drag it for you to double the line and press Ctrl D. Now we have 5 lines here. Just highlight everything and press Ctrl G to group the lines together. The 5 lines has been grouped together. The next thing is for you to rotate these lines. Just press R on your keyboard and press enter. And now when you press R on your keyboard, you'll be given a prompt for you to enter the degree in which you want to rotate the line. Enter 90 degree and click on copy. Now we have we have the line. Okay, now we have the line like this as a segment here. Come back to your tools here. Come to Elite Tools. At where you have the center here, just click and drag. Well, click on R Alt. Can see it now? The circle intersects 4 lines here. On that circle, just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste to the front. The one you pasted to the front and increase the size here. Can you see it now? Okay. Highlight everything that you have here. Come to this tool, we call it Shape Area tool. Now change this one to fill. Now drag. Can you see? Drag as if you are trying to write letter D. Okay, drag like this. Sorry. Now we have something that look like letter D. Come back to your select tools here. On this direct select, click on it. This one, the edge, just click on it. At the edge here, just drag. Can you see it? And come back here. We have this one. Just drag. Okay, now we have a perfect looking letter D. Come back to your line tools here. Let me zoom my camera that I can see when I'm trying to draw a line. Draw a line that's move from this side to this side here, that will pass through the this circle here. It will touch the circle here. Can you see it now? The line touches the circle here, likewise it touches the side of this D. Now come back to your shape it that tool. Now you can now give it any feel that you want. You can come down to the color here. Let me choose this color now. You can now give it the color that you want. Can you see it? Now we have filled this one up. Now we want to give it come back to your direct select tool here. Now click on this one here and drag. Sorry. So there was a mistake. Okay, now this one, remove the stroke. Come back to direct select tools here. Click on this one and drag. Can you see it now? We have a perfect design which is minimalist. We can now ungroup. We can remove all these things that we have here. Click there. That's how to have design. We have a good concept letter D minimalist logo. You can write anything on it just for it to brand it to your own. If you find this video helpful, like this video, share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.